Hello, and welcome to Learn English, Love English. Today we're diving into a fascinating scene from William Shakespeare's The Merchant of Venice. Act 2, Scene 1, is full of excitement and tension as we follow the events leading up to an important moment in the story. Whether you're here to improve your English skills or simply to enjoy a classic piece of literature, you're in the right place. Let's explore how love, disguise, and difficult choices play out in this unforgettable scene. Act 2, Scene 1, The Merchant of Venice. In this scene, the Prince of Morocco arrives at Portia's house in Belmont. He is there to try and win Portia's hand in marriage. He starts by asking Portia not to judge him by his dark skin, which he got from being born in a hot, sunny country. He says that he is proud of his complexion and that many brave men have feared him, and many women have loved him for it. He would not change his skin color except to win Portia's love. Portia responds politely but explains that she cannot choose her own husband. Her father set up a test involving 3 caskets or boxes, and the man who picks the correct one will marry her. She tells Morocco that if it were up to her, he would have as good a chance as any other suitor. Morocco, feeling confident, asks to be led to the caskets to try his luck. He boasts about his bravery and the many challenges he has overcome. He even says that he is willing to face dangerous animals and fierce warriors to win Portia. However, he laments that this challenge is based on luck, not bravery or worth. He compares himself to the great hero Hercules and fears that luck might favor a less deserving man. Portia reminds Morocco that if he chooses the wrong casket, he must promise never to marry anyone. Morocco agrees to this condition and asks to take his chance. Portia then directs him to the temple to take the oath and tells him he can make his choice after dinner. Morocco hopes for good fortune, knowing that the outcome will make him either very happy or very unhappy. The scene ends with a flourish of cornets as everyone exits. That wraps up our exploration of Act 2, Scene 1 from The Merchant of Venice. We hope you enjoyed this dive into Shakespeare's world and learned something new along the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn English, Love English for more literary insights and language lessons. Keep practicing, and remember, the more you engage with English, the more confident you'll become. See you in the next video.